Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Roblox account. So if you're on this online gaming platform and want to log into your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how to do that. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to www.roblox.com. As you go to roblox.com, you will land on an interface like this that will ask you for your username, email, or your phone and your password to log into your account. So given the necessary information, here I'm just gonna type in my email address in order to log into my account, and then also enter my password. Then tap on login in order to log into your account and wait for a certain while until all the processing is complete. But before that, you also have to prove that you are a human being, a real one. So tap on verify, and then what you have to do now is you have to finish this up in order to get logged into your account. So here I'm just gonna do this as quickly as possible. And then after doing this, it will take me a few seconds more in order to get logged into my account. So here, as you can see, I have already been logged in.